To see Ukraine's amazing weapon arsenal, this video really showcased this, as a Russian T-72B3 tank with 2 BMP following drives over a field. As the tank is leading the way, it gets hit on the move by a smart or bonus artillery round, as an explosively formed penetrator can be seen striking with a top attack, disabling the tank. As the BMP gets hit by something, it also gets immobilized, but gets hit soon thereafter by a Javelin missile, completely destroying the armored vehicle. As the tank is still fairly intact, a FPV drone comes and strikes the tank, causing it to explode, tossing the turret away with a lot of other parts. Seeing the second BMP also got destroyed, showing a range of weapon system taking out 3 more of Russia's system, leaving 3 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.